Can an LLC file Schedule C? Yes, a single-member LLC can file Schedule C with their personal tax return. By default, the IRS treats a single-member LLC as a disregarded entity, meaning its income and expenses are reported on Schedule C of the owner's Form 1040, just like a sole proprietorship. This allows the owner to deduct business expenses directly against the LLC's income, which reduces taxable income. Common deductions include rent, utilities, supplies, marketing, travel, and home office expenses if they qualify. If the LLC has multiple members, it cannot use Schedule C. Instead, it files Form 1065 as a partnership, or it can elect to be taxed as a corporation and file Form 1120 or 1120S depending on the election. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and guide you on the documents you'll need for taxes, including whether Schedule C applies to your situation. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.